Okay, so we have a 2010 Ford Focus in the workshop and the dip light bulb needs to be replaced. If you have a Ford, you'll know that they're a little bit awkward to do, but I'm going to show you an easy way to do it where you'll get it done in roughly 2 minutes. So this is your headlight here. That's where your dip light bulb goes. I'm looking from the rear. There is not much access at all. You've got a fuse board here, you've got your air filter here, battery over here. So there's no real access to get your hands in, let alone to take anything out. So the easiest way to do this, there's a Torx that is just here, which we've already removed. Remove the one Torx, and then get yourself a long screwdriver, something like this, and just down here, you'll see that little clip. Push the clip down. There's another one that's just down here, which I've already removed, and for the sake of time, because I need 3 hands to do this. And then once the 2 of them have been removed, you just pull it back. There we go, your headlight is removed, and that's where your dip light goes. And you can replace that quick and easy. And then it's the same procedure to push it back in. Just line it back up, push it until you hear the click, and then put your Torx back in, and you're good to go. It's the same on the other side. So it'll make it a little bit easier for you if you have to do it. Other than that, drop into me and I'll do it for you. Okay, have a good one.